Tapo is TP-Link's smart home brand, bringing cameras, lighting, and cleaning into one app. And now that ecosystem includes the Tapo RV50 Pro Omni, their latest robot vacuum. Robot vacuums with strong cleaning, active mopping, and a dock that handles most of the maintenance can easily cost $800, and some go well past $1,000. This one comes in under $500. So the real question is how much of that premium experience you're getting at this price? Let's find out. Thanks Tabo for sponsoring this video, but all the results you're about to see come from my own testing. The RV50 vacuums, mops, avoids obstacles, and protects carpets. Its Omni Dock empties the dust, washes and dries the mop pads, dispenses detergent, and handles tangle hair. That last part is the main idea behind this product. Less maintenance. A useful robot should clean the floor and take care of most of the routine afterward. So I tested the cleaning itself, then the Tapo system around it to see how much work the full setup saves you. The RV15 is rated at 15,000 power of suction, but real pickup matters more than the number, so I started with 2 measure half floor tests on maximum power using 2 cleaning pads each. For the small debris test, I measured out a 30-gram mix of cat litter and rice. This gives the robot a mix of fine, light pieces that can easily move around when the side brush reaches them. After 2 passes, the RV50 collects about 28 grams. That's roughly 93%, and the floor looked clean afterward. Then I moved to larger debris with dry cat food and oats. I started with 40 grams in total. The RV50 collect around 37 grams, so again a little over 92%. Across both tasks, the results stay consistent at around 93%. The cleaning path also helped explain that consistency. Side brushes can send a few pieces away from the intake. This happens across the whole category, even when the brush speed is reduced. Some models add extra object recognition to react to larger debris areas, which also adds cost and complexity. The RV15 uses a simpler piece of cleaning logic. When you select 2 passes, it goes around the edges again during the second pass. Any pieces scattered earlier get another chance to move into the intake. It's a practical solution, and my measure results show that it works. I also tested the RV15 on carpets with debris and hair. Pickup was strong there as well, so the cleaning performance translates well across both half floor and carpet. Even at maximum suction, the sound stays at a comfortable level. My test is simple. Can I keep watching TV at the same volume? With the RV15 running, I could. After the hair test, I flipped the robot over and checked the roller. The brush came out clean and freed of tangles, with good pickup on both half floor and carpet. The RV15 uses a 3-part anti-tangle system across the main brush, side brush, and caster. Rub hair can also be cut after the robot returns to the dock. For a pet-focused product, that location makes sense. The cutting happens safely inside the base station, away from tails and fur during cleaning. It also saves you from sitting on the floor and pulling hair off the roller by hand. Edge cleaning was good too. The RV50 followed the wall closely, and the edge looked clean after the run. Together with the extra edge root on the second pass, it picked up the pieces that had moved toward the perimeter. For mopping, I used 2 levels of mess. The first was coffee and lighter watermarks. Everyday stains that showed up during a normal day. The RV50 cleared them during the cleaning run. Then I moved to soy sauce. It is darker and stickier, so any remaining residue is easy to see. After the run, the floor looked clean, and I also wiped the area with a paper towel, and the paper towel came back clean. The RV15 used 2 mop pads that spin at 180 RPM while applying pressure to the floor. That gives it active scrubbing power for everyday stains. Tapo's deep edge system also extends the mopping coverage toward the perimeter. In my edge test, the mop reached the wall cleanly and covered the full strip. The best way to think about this is maintenance mopping between deeper cleans. Coffee, footprints, and sticky moths can handle during a regular run, so the floor stays cleaner with less manual work. Based on these tests, the RV50 does that job well. For mixed floor homes, carpet protection works in 2 ways. On the regular rug, the RV50 detects the carpet and lifts its mop pads before moving across it. For higher pile carpets, it can return to the dock and leave the pads behind completely. I tested both function and the carpet stayed dry. Automatic detachment is especially useful for thick rugs, but I did find one area Tapo could improve. A vacuum only run took a while to complete the mop removal process and leave the dock. The feature worked correctly, though the startup felt slower than necessary. A software update could make that transition feel more immediate. For obstacle avoidance, I used everyday clutter: a shoe, a water bottle, a charging cable, a small toy, and some tissue. The RV50 dual laser system handled all of them. It slowed down, adjusted its routes, and cleaned around each object. The cable also stayed where I placed it. Tiny or fragile items are always worth picking up before clean. With everyday clutter, the RV15 requires little room preparation and complete the run smoothly. That's the practical value of obstacle avoidance. The robot can just finish the run and keep the process hands off. The Omni Dock is where Tapo's low maintenance idea comes together. Thus moves into a sealed bag ready for up to 2 months of use. Clean and dirty water stay in separate tanks. After mopping, the pads are washed with 140 Fahrenheit hot water and dry with 122 warm air, keeping them clean, dry, and ready for the next run. The dock also measures and dispenses detergent automatically. Together, these 5 features cover dust and water handling, hot water washing, warm air driving, detergent dispensing, and hair cutting. I tested each function and the pads came out clean. The entire dock process worked smoothly throughout my testing. Your regular maintenance comes down to refilling clean water, emptying dirty water, and replacing the bag over time. These tasks are spaced across regular use. The Tapo apps follow the same practical approach. The interface is clean and easy to understand and includes room cleaning schedules, no-go zooms, mop settings, child and padlock, and pad zooms for areas around footballs and litter boxes. Everything important is easy to find, and with Matter support, RV15 can also connect with a broader smart home setup. The strength of the Tapo RV15 Pro Omni comes from how these features work together. Pickup stays around 93% in both debris tests, the mopping left the full clean, and the rollers stay free of hair. The carpet stayed dry and the dock handled most of the cleanup afterward. The vacuum-only startup could be faster. That's the main experience I would like Tapo to improve. Beyond that, this is a strong mix of cleaning, carpet protection, pet-friendly maintenance, and dock automation for under $500. For pet owners and busy households, the full package makes a lot of sense. I'll leave the product link in the description. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.